You are watching Global Television. We will be right back after these messages from our sponsors.
Some people have big plans after school. You know what Elliot's going to do? Jeff, too. Elliot's at work on a book report using Scripsit on Radio Shack's Color Computer 3. It hooks up to his TV. And Jeff's at his Radio Shack Color Computer 3 playing the newest football game. But wait, what's Elliot doing playing New Super Pitfall? And Jeff's having a blast with a new math tutor. You never know what you might try with more than 100 programs for fun and learning. Radio Shack's Color Computer 3 comes with everything you see here. Other items each sold separately. Only at Radio Shack.
Ganz schön spannend, was man im Happy Meal so alles entdeckt. Eins von den zweiten 3 schrägen Monstern, jetzt auch bei McDonald's. Und jetzt zusätzlich in jedem Happy Meal Kinogutschein für 1 Euro Preisnachlass auf Disneys Die Monster AG.
Hey, you guys! Wanna laugh your heads off?
Yeah!
Then let's play Electronic Headbands! A hilarious new way to play headbands! The electronic game unit leads 2 teams through 3 ways to play.
Describe it!
It's related to a mule? A mule? Donkey? Yes!
Do it!
I'm a chicken!
Oishikunatteるし、ゆうチョコボール